Hey gang, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy Saturday to y'all. We finally got a little sunshine out. Something different for y'all today. I've been wanting to do this. I'm gonna fire up the Traeger. I found some skirt steak, and I'm gonna show y'all what I did here. We're gonna make some beef jerky today. I'm gonna try that a little bit. Show y'all what we're working with here. Now I'm gonna do two different batches. I will be seasoning one batch with Uncle Steve's sweet and spicy, good stuff, and the other one we're gonna hit it with Uncle Steve's smoke bomb, good stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what we're working with down here. Now I've already cut some of it up, but that's our skirt steak there, and yes, I'm using my Down Strong Gladiator Series filet and boning knife. So, and what I did, guys, I cleaned it up, got all the fat and junk off of it best I could, and I cut, you know, about 1/2 inch strips in it like that. You know, look how that Down Strong just peels through that, y'all. How you like that? All right, that one there. Got a little fat, and ain't gonna hurt the thing, but we're gonna leave that in strips like that. Same thing, you know. Want that one there. Watch your fingers, because that knife is sharp. Alright. Just like that, y'all. I'm going to hit that with some Lee & Perrins Worcestershire. So I've got some I already did in a bowl. Cameraman going to have to tighten up, y'all. That's going to be one batch right there. And this I just cut up. I'm going to put it in another bowl. So let me get regrouped, and I'll bring y'all back in just a second. Alright, so what we're gonna do, gang, I'm gonna keep it simple. This is my first time doing jerky. We're gonna put a little bit of this Worcestershire sauce in here just to coat this meat. Okay. And I'm gonna hit this batch with Uncle Steve's sweet and spicy. Good little amount there. About like that. Get that all mixed in real good, y'all. Alright. Now, well, that smells good, man. Y'all smell that. Doesn't that smell good? Alright, now the other batch we're gonna do same thing. Hit it with our Lee & Perrins there. Or Lee & Perron, as they say. Mix that up. And we're going to hit this with the smoke bomb. Good stuff, y'all. Oh, man. Oh, if y'all can smell that. I don't know which one smells better. I don't know. Y'all smell that one. What you think? Smells good, huh? Gosh, that does smell good, though. Alright, gang. We got that did. I'm going to go out here and fire up the Traeger. Put them straight on the grill like that. But probably, you know, a few hours at least, and we'll go out there and check it. So anyway, I'll meet y'all outside when I throw this junk on there. We'll be back. Alright, y'all, we got the Traeger up to temp. On this side here is our sweet and spicy, and this is our smoke bomb. Right here. Just throw this stuff on here. Just gonna lay it across the grates like that. Rip for a while. We'll get all this loaded up on the Traeger. We're gonna let it probably smoke for at least an hour, and then we'll come back and check on it. So, alright, it's been about an hour. We're running about 160, 165 degrees. Getting there, y'all. We're gonna let it go some more. Alright, y'all, welcome back. It's been about, I think, 3.5 hours. Ooh, look at that, y'all. That's pretty. 4 hours. Let's see what we got. Nice. There, look at there. That's alright. Let me get this pulled off, gang. We'll go inside and give it a bite. Let's see how this stuff came out. What y'all think about that? Well, camera boy, keep up now. Alright. There's our sweet and spicy. Yeah, the pull is like jerky. I like that, man. That's pretty good. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh yeah, man. A little sweet, a little heat. I like that, y'all. That's good, man. Smoke bomb. Nice, huh? Oh yeah, bro. It's so easy to make, y'all. I just took my skirt steak and cut across in grain, so it'll be a little more tender. Man, that's pretty damn good. I like it. Anyway, that's what it is. A little jerky on the Traeger. You gotta go check out Uncle Steve, man. UncleSteveShake.com. Smoke Bomb is the newest one. That's good stuff, man. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. Y'all have a great weekend. See y'all next week. Bye bye.